Now we discuss about the neuron. First, its introduction. Neuron or a nerve cell is defined as a structural and a functional unit of the nervous system. Neuron is similar to any other cell of the body, but it is different from the other cell in two ways. First, neuron has branches or processed called axon and dendrites. And second, neuron does not have centrosome so that it cannot undergo division. Now, the classification of the neuron. Neurons are classified by three different methods. First, depending upon the number of poles. Second, the number of function. And the third, depending upon the length of the axons. Now, depending upon the number of the poles, there are three types of the neuron due to the number of the poles. The first is unipolar, bipolar, and third multipolar. First, unipolar nerve cells have only one pole. From the single pole, both axon and dendrites take arise. Now the second, bipolar neuron. Neuron with two poles are known as bipolar neuron. Axons arise from one pole and dendrites arise from another pole. Third, multipolar neuron. Multipolar neuron are the neuron which have many poles. One pole arises from the axon and the another give to origin to dendrites. Now the third, depending upon the function. Now the second one, that is depending upon the function, it is two types. First, motor or a efferent neuron, and the second is a sensory or a afferent neuron. First, motor or a efferent neuron. This neuron is carry the motor impulse from the central nervous system to the peripheral nervous system. In the motor neuron, the axon it is long and the dendrites it is short. Now the second type, it is a sensory or a afferent neuron. Sensory or a afferent neuron are the neuron which carry the sensory impulse to the peripheral nervous system to the central nervous system. And generally the sensory neuron has short axon and the long dendrites. Now the third, depending upon the length of axon. There are two types of the depending upon the length of axon. The first is Golgi type 1 neuron and second the Golgi type 2 neuron. In the Golgi type 1 neuron, they have long axons. Now in that cell body of this neuron is different part of central nervous system and their axon reaches to the remote peripheral organ. And the second type is a Golgi type 2 neuron. In a Golgi type 2 neuron, it has a short axons. These neurons are presented in a cerebral cortex and the spinal cord. Thank you.